Hello guys, welcome to Software Designs. Today we're discussing about our design base, and what I'm trying to explain here is if you take a good look at this design, this is a book cover design titled Our First Guide, Our First Class Guide, and then this is past questions and answers for it. And the client now asks for us to redesign this, of which he sent plus the raw file of the design, and then he requested it should be redesigned. And redesign it, it actually meets the standard, and everything he or she needs you is very clear. We just have to improve on it. So working on this, we just added a little modification for it by going to, then let's see the page. From here, as you can see, it wasn't added, it was just modified to see it's the same information but it's changed. This is a text effect. For you to see, you see from inside here, this is a text effect. For you to see the shadow, the text effect is mothers, happy birthday mothers, which you can get from either free pick or you can get from any other design resource platform. Then this is a shadow. We brought in a shadow section. We added the shadow here, and then we changed the color. The color was changed from green. We changed from green to blue, and then this maintained, this particular section is maintained all in one. So only thing that was changed here was the color. We added the back, of which this font, this here wasn't having, this is the green. Then this one is having back, and it's having, there is front and back of it, and other details as well. So if you see anything in this design that you feel is not right and we should work on it, you can actually give us your own contribution in the comment section. Thank you and have a pleasant weekend.